Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing us how I created this blue black smoky eye look, and if this is what you're interested in, kindly watch to the end and do not forget to subscribe. Alright, so I'll be using my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette for this look, and also first thing to do is to prep the eyelid with your eyeshadow primer. And for my eyeshadow primer, I'll be using my Benye Clan White eyeshadow base. This eyeshadow primer is my favorite. Like the way it blends into the eyelid, into the skin, does it for me. So guys, like I'm using my eyeshadow blending brush to apply this eyeshadow base on the eyelid. So if you are seeing the way I'm blending it in, I started from the inner corner of the eyelid and then spread it through the entire eyelid down to the outer corner of the eyelid. So I am not scratching this, I am tapping it in. Don't mind the way you are seeing my hand go. What's the right thing to do? What I'm doing is tapping. I am tapping the eyeshadow base inside the eyelid, into the eyelid, sorry, and making sure it is well blended. You don't just have to apply and leave it for it not to crack or crease. What you have to do is to tap it in and blend it by tapping, making sure that it is well and properly blended into the eyelid. After that, next thing I'll be doing is to apply my eyeshadow. First thing first, I started with the blue eyeshadow color. I started from the inner corner of the eyelid, that's the tear dot area. That is where the blue I am applying should stay. Since it is a blue black eyeshadow look and it is a smoky eyeshadow look, looking at the two colors, they are all primary colors, blue and black, and so the two colors, in between the two colors, the blue is the lightest and should be on the inner corner of the eyelid, while the black stays at the outer corner of the eyelid, which is where the darkest shades supposed to stay. So I am applying it. On a normal day, I am supposed to apply the black before the blue, but I don't want the black encroaching on the blue at all. I want to give it that flawless finishing, so I am starting with the blue. So if you know what you are doing, even this eyeshadow is very detailed and beginners friendly. So if you know what you're doing and how to blend your way around your eyelid, you just have to blend perfectly like a pro. So I am blending the blue in by tapping. You don't scratch, you blend in by tapping. All right, also remember that you have to make sure that you pack in enough setting powder on the under eye area so that while you do your eyeshadow, the fallout will not stain your under eye. So next thing I'm doing here is to use a brown shade of powder from my Bicham powder palette to remove harsh line in between the brow area and the nose contour, and also in between the blue I have just applied. So this will help it blend in very well without any demarcation or harsh line. So after blending that in, I will go over to applying the black on the outer corner of the eyelid. So this is how it should be. If you tap in very well, you blend. There are other people that will apply their smoky eye look in a different method, but this is the method I choose. Some people will use their gel liner, black gel liner, as their base and then apply the blue, but I chose to use my Benye Clan White eyeshadow primer to first as my base before I apply the colors. So right here I am applying the black eyeshadow, and it is on at the outer corner of the eyelid. Remember, to apply your eyeshadow, you must tap it in. You don't smoke, you don't scratch, you just tap it. So I am tapping the black on the outer corner of the eyelid. What I do on this eye is the same thing I will do on the other side of the eyelid. So you see the way I am tapping it in, making sure it is properly blended. And if you look at my under eye, there's no fallout. It is because I am tapping it in. Emphasis on the tapping. If I'm scratching or smoothing the eyeshadow colors on the eyelid, you will see plenty mess on the under eye or different kind of fallout on the under eye, which will be difficult for you to blend out after your eyeshadow application. So to avoid that, you make sure once you take the eyeshadow from the palette, you remove some excesses and then tap it in. So after applying the black, next thing I'm doing is to use my razor pack to wing it out. This is very essential unless you don't want the wing out effect, but if If you want the wing out effect, it is vital that you use your razor pack or a tape method to wing it out. So look at the way I am doing it. Because it's the black that is on the outer corner, I am using the black to wing it out, using my razor pack to hold the under eye so that the wing out effect will show and I will not still mess the under eye up. So you see the effect now it is giving. After that, next thing I will do is to use my beauty sponge and my setting powder to remove harsh line and to bring out the wing out effect properly. This will also help me to remove any fallout. And voila, this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think about this smoky bold blue black eye look? Is giving, right? Would you be trying it? Please like, subscribe. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the notification bell to get more videos like this. Also, on the comment section, let me know any other look that you want me to try, and be it lip, be it eyeshadow, be it brows. I am here for you. This is Priceless Clay Makeover. Bye guys, and see you in my next video.